My name is Rokib Uddin. My video resume. I am Mohammad Rokib Uddin. Came from Joshore. I am a student of digital marketing course, Edufuture IT Dhaka. I am a trainer of Sterling Tennis Limited. Masters complete 2013. My department of history of MM College Joshore. My favorite color white, and my favorite singer Asif. I prefer singing a song. I want to get upper level by freelancing course. I want to complete the digital marketing course by Edufuture IT. Mentors and teachers are very well. Thank you.